The person who's come third today will be the district runner-up champion. The person who's come second will be the Bangalore district champion. And of course, the one champion who's won it all will be the state champion in that category. In that order, we move on with our first category, before which may we have all our guests on stage, please, together. Can we request all of them to join us? State champion comes to you from Utsav. Well done, well done. Thank you so much, kids. Thanks a lot. We move on to category 3. Our district runner-up in category 3 is from Oak Ridge International School, Chinmay. You can smile wide. This is the finals and it takes a long doing to come all the way till here. Congratulations, Chinmay. Well done. Our district champion, ladies and gentlemen, also comes to us from Oak Ridge International School, Tanish. Congratulations, Tanish, our district champion in category 3. Well done, Tanish. Really, really well done. Put your hands together at last. Put your hands together for the champion. That's a Shimoga special, everybody. A huge stay there because we've got our special guests who've come all the way and been there through the tournament to honor us, and it's been a pleasure having all of you here. And we would like to give you a token of our appreciation, please. May please call upon Dr. Kundan Basavaraj. Please, can you come forward? A round of applause from everybody as we honor Dr. Kundan on stage. Thank you so much, Dr. Kundan. It's been a pleasure having you here. Congratulations. Thank you. May I please call upon Mr. Ashok Gowda. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what have we witnessed here? We witnessed some spectacular war of the words, as we call it. Kids from different parts of Karnataka have come together and fought it hard in this edition of Karnataka SpellBee Season 2, the SpellBee Universe. We at Best Educate take great pleasure in presenting this episode. We've reached out to 5,000 schools and it's been quite a journey. Eventually, there have been champions in all the 4 categories and the kids are quite a superstars now itself. We're trying to present to you a better and bigger version pretty soon, but this season has been phenomenal and I'm sure you will agree to me as well. This is your Spellmaster Mike Murli signing off one last time in this season of Karnataka SpellBee Championship Season 2. I'll meet you all pretty soon in another War of the Words. Until then, keep your spellings going and thank you for making this version so awesome. Cheers, have a good night. Thank you.